What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us again. Today we're gonna go over some de la Riva control and we're gonna work our way into a baby bolo so we can take the back. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys these details. Let's insert Cody. Alright guys, so when we're working on our de la Riva hook, that's the first thing I want you guys to understand. The person always has a combat base with one leg back and one leg forwards. Okay, so when I'm putting in my de la Riva hook, I want to really curl my toes right here. So when I wrap my leg around, it comes all the way through and hooks right on his thigh, as tight as I can. I want my toes to be wrapped around, everything wrapped around his thigh. And when I put it in, I throw the de la Riva hook in like this and I kind of pull them to me a little bit. Just so like, it's kind of like I'm hanging off of them and I have a really good connection here. All right, now with my left hand, there's three different options that I like to grab. I hold the ankle, okay, just like this, the back leg. I can hug nice and tight and hold my thigh, which is really nice because now if he tries to step over my leg, there's this really big circle that he has to go around and it's a lot harder for him to pass the guard, okay? Number three, I'll step on his hip like this or his shoulder if he's lower. I'll do a little hip hinge and just lift my hip up and I'll punch my fist all the way through as deep as I can. All the way until the crook of my arm hits Cody's ankle and now I can grab my shin. This is a really nice de la Riva guard as well because I can hang off of him and control and hold his collar, his sleeve, and I'm really latched onto his legs, so if he tries to step back, it's hard for him. And the other thing why I like to use this de la Riva is because even if he pushes my leg down, I still have this grip, so he can't just pull his leg out. And if he tries to touch his knee on the mat, my arm is in the way with my thigh, and it makes it a lot harder for him, okay? So with this technique, we can use either one of those grips, and we'll start working our way around to the back, okay? So when you guys are doing the baby bolo, I prefer to step on the shoulder right here when I'm playing de la Riva, because when you step on his hip, the problem is he pushes in between the legs and now you have to start fighting from here. All right, it's a lot harder for Cody to do that when I'm stepping on his shoulder, okay? So here I'm gonna hold on to his collar. If he breaks this grip and postures, I can go straight to the belt, okay? Which I'll sit up on my elbow and I'll do this and I'll grab the belt. All right, really nice situation here because I'm hanging from his hip and I have the de la Riva hook in. Now it's hard for him to do anything really. I'm stepping on his shoulder, I'm holding myself from the belt, which I'm leaning back, and I'm really hanging off of him. All right, so now we're gonna get into working our way around to the back. All right, I'm gonna hug his leg like this, and if I pull on his belt and he doesn't move, I like to push his thigh first, because this slows him down, okay? If I spread his legs out farther, he's not as quick to step over my legs. So I go like this, push him. Now that I've got him pushed, I step on the mat and I do a big shrimp behind him. Notice how when I pulled his belt, the back leg came to me, all right? So now, just to make sure Cody can't step around this way again and square up, I'm gonna grab his pants, just like this. Now I know that he's not gonna be able to square up. I can throw my right leg in, put the hook, left leg in, put the hook. He's gonna stay strong and I'm gonna hip in and now I'm behind him, all right? So here now, I wanna break Cody down. Couple different ways that we can do this, okay? I can grab his ankles and push him over to his hands, and then I grab the belt and I start working my way up to the top, okay? We'll get into that in another video. I can hold the belt right here if he's a tall person and I have a hard time pulling him down. I'll go one leg on the low ankle, one leg on the high thigh right here, and now I can pull him to me and I just sweep out the one leg first. You see, now I can go right to the leg drag situation, take the back, pull him over and come on top. All right, the third way is if I'm just like this here and I can break him down, I pull on his belt right here and I bring him to me and then I extend it outwards. Okay, as soon as I extend him outwards, I leave my hooks right on his thigh. Now I can go seat belt over top and grab. I'll bring him this way so you guys can see. I bring my seatbelt over top, grab my fist, I put the hook in, now I bring him to the side and I throw the other hook on top. I go de la Riva, okay? I either go off of the collar grip or off of the belt grip, whatever one is there for you. The technique works both ways, okay? So I go here, I push Cody, I hug, step on the mat, I do a little shrimp as I pull the collar or I pull the belt, just like I'm flexing my bicep, okay? I pull, he steps the leg. Now I grab, as soon as I grab, I shrimp, put the first hook in, second hook in, I shrimp back inside, and now I'm on the back. All right, as soon as I get to this position right here, I can still pull the collar if I want, but I prefer to let go, grab the belt, or I'll go 4 fingers inside the pants if the belt isn't there. All right, now I'm gonna pull him in, extend him out, seatbelt, top hook, put the other hook. De la Riva, push, pull, shrimp out, put the hook, grab, pull him in, extend him out, seatbelt, put the hooks. Now guys, I'll do it from a bunch of different angles using the collar, the belt, and different hand placement with the de la Riva. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. In our next tutorial, I'll go over some techniques using the de la Riva and how to keep control with it so that you can use it effectively. So don't forget, subscribe down below, and I'll put the little profile link right here so you guys can click it. It'll slide on over, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.